Today we're going to be unboxing the BPL 105 in rust. Inside you'll get a fixture with a 18-2 direct burial cord. You'll get a standard 20-watt halogen bulb. This fixture is also compatible with LED. Also, you'll receive a ground spike. To gain access to place the bulb inside the fixture, simply hold and twist off, and now you're able to gain access to place the bulb inside of the fixture. Pressing firmly, make sure the bulb is pressed in. Now you're ready to place the shroud back on. Now placing the 18-2 direct burial cord through the ground spike and screwing on to the fixture.